am so excited. Santa sent me a gift. Yes, this is a gift of Santa. Saturday night, when I was going to sleep, I asked Santa for a wish. Santa, I want to become fluent speaker in English. Please fulfill my wish. And I fell asleep. Then I wake up Sunday morning, this gift beside me. Yes, so let's unboxing this gift together. So stay with me. Okay, I'm excited. What is in gift? Just okay. Yeah. Okay. There is also letter in this box, in this gift. And one more thing, that is practice. Okay. So this is a letter gives me a Santa. Okay. So let's read out this letter. What message Santa gives me? Okay. So, hi Megha, I heard your wish. I want to tell you something. Listen carefully. If you practice English daily, listening English daily, and you will learn the structure of English grammar. If you do it with full hard work, then you will definitely become a fluent English speaker. Okay. You will make mistake while speaking and people will laugh. Yeah, it's happening. But you don't stop your practice. Practice, keep improving, and you will become a fluent English speaker one day. My best wishes are with you. Enjoy. Merry Christmas. Oh, this is a very inspiring letter. This is very inspiring message for me. Thank you, Santa. And yes, definitely I practice daily and I don't stop my practice. I listening everyday English content and I daily practice English. So I know friends, it's not a real story, but I'm giving you this message through this beautiful story. Please don't stop your practice. While speaking, you are doing some mistake. People laughed at you, but don't be bothered about that. Don't be ashamed about that. Do practice, keep practice, listening English videos, and keep practicing. So this is a video today I'm making uh, for inspiring you, and this is a really very inspiring message. This is not for me, it's also for you. Remember this. And this is all about video today. Merry Christmas. Enjoy your Christmas day, and my all wishes with you. If you do very hard work to improve your English speaking, you definitely become a fluent English speaker one day. This is a my wish, and I know you all have this kind of wish, and Santa will already give this message all English learner. So follow this, and just thank you and subscribe to my channel. Bye, take care.